All right, Health Check 10 News now. An 11-year-old Providence girl is in need of a bone marrow transplant.
She has the most common genetic disorder, a transplant, her only cure, though. Health Check 10 reporter Barbara Morris-Silva has more.
11-year-old Geraldine Ayres is naturally curious, a sixth grader taking a tour at the Rhode Island Blood Center, the medical director's office, and all her kids' artwork of particular interest. She's also getting a look at where all the blood donations are processed. These are products she has needed over the years. Geraldine was diagnosed with sickle cell anemia at birth. It's a red blood cell disorder. Her first flare-up at 8 months old.
This hand got really swollen and red, and they called us from the daycare that she was crying and crying and crying, and they didn't know what's going on. So we rushed her to the hospital, and they said she was having a crisis.
Dr. Carolyn Young of the Rhode Island Blood Center explains what happens when someone with sickle cell disease has a flare-up.
These red cells are in the shape of a sickle. So, and because they're in the shape of a sickle, they're not able to get through the blood vessels really well, and they get stuck. And when they get stuck, the cells behind them can't get through. So nothing can get through, and what's in front of them isn't able to get oxygen.
Medication helps. Still, over the years, Geraldine has been hospitalized 5 times.
It's been up and down. She's been good, she'll do good, and then all of a sudden she'll just go downward and she'll just get sick.
We're talking intense pain. Geraldine remembers her last sickle cell crisis from 3 years ago.
It goes on my back and it goes like a heartbeat and it hurts a lot.
Really bad? Like the worst pain you've ever felt?
Yeah.
The only cure for sickle cell anemia is a stem cell transplant.
Those stem cells taken from a bone marrow donor. Geraldine's best chance for a match, a donor of color. But she and her family are hoping all interested in saving lives will register this weekend at a marrow donor registry drive.
To help me stay strong.
As you can see, it's very hard for Geraldine and her family to talk about this, the pain that goes along when she's in crisis, both physical and emotional. So here's how you can help. The Marrow Donor Registry Drive is this Sunday. It's October the 12th from noon until 3 at the Capitol Hill Health Center at 40 Candace Street in Providence. Registration requires some paperwork and a cheek swab. It's that simple. For more on this drive, you can log on to turn10.com and click on Health. And that's Health Check. Barbara Moore Silva, NBC 10 News.